Yo, what's up, guys? We had an amazing day. $5,000 in 5 minutes, literally $1,000 per minute. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. It was a super simple play, one and done. Let's go over everything right now. So just to give you guys a little bit of perspective, let's actually go up to the 30 minutes so I can show you guys the bigger picture, right? As you can see, we've been on a major downtrend lately, right? And recently we have actually been establishing higher lows. If you don't know what that means, you can see here we had to move down. Boom, buyers bought it back up, moved back down. Buyers bought it back up again, but you can see that this low is higher than this low, right? Meaning the buyers kept stepping in earlier and earlier and earlier. And then it got to the point where it actually broke out before the market even opened today, which I was a little disappointed about because I had this level here. It would have been a beautiful play to take above this level, but I missed it just because it happened before the market was open. I just wasn't aware. And then on top of that, right, as we move down to the 15-minute, you can see here we have a level right here. You can see it starts here for this purple level. We bring it all the way over. Another level or another rejection here of the same level, rejection, and then we break above that level pre-market, right? So now we're breaking above all kind of levels pre-market, and I'm like, okay, what the heck's going on? We're missing all these moves, and I just sat down on my computer, right? But you know, hey, you take the opportunity that comes, right? You don't think about the ones that have already left. So as we go into today's action, right, couple things I want to know. Number one, I'm not chasing this move, right? I'm already in the mindset of, you know, I'm just going to wait and see what the market gives us, right? I'm not going to sit here and chase this move because I feel bad about missing it or whatever. I missed it. And on top of that, we literally have 10 a.m. news this morning, which I came into the market completely aware of, meaning that the market can be super volatile. It can be choppy, usually until that news comes out. So I had, you know, those two things in my mind. We've already made a move, and then we have news. So I decided just to wait. I didn't take a trade until like I guess an hour, almost an hour into the market, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, right? As we open up above level, we pump a little bit, right? I'm cool. I'm not looking to trade. I can see here we start rejecting off this level, and then we come back down and we're holding pre-market high. Right, so we have chop. At this point, during this candle right here, it's 10 a.m. The news has already come out, and the market just kind of in this range between pre-market high and the high of day. So I'm like, okay, let's see if we can break above this high of day or break below the pre-market high level. And as you can see, we broke above the the high of day, and then I had a target. Well, this wasn't here then. I had a target of this level here, and then this is where I exited. Right, somewhere along the lines of here before this candle. So it was either between this candle or this candle where I officially exited the play. It was a beautiful trade. Now, one thing I really want you guys to take away from this is that, wow, first of all, the market's pumping right now. This came out of nowhere. I don't know where that came from, but back on topic. One thing I want you guys to take note of here is that, hey, notice how I didn't take any trades in this chop. A lot of people, oh my goodness, do you see this market? A lot of people, back on track, a lot of people, what they do is they try to trade within the chop and they end up taking trades that cause them to go red for the day. And then when the great move actually comes, they're not even green. They just happy they made their money back, right? And you don't want to get into that, right? If you only look for A+ setups and you ignore everything else, then you ignore all the trades that you're not supposed to take, and you only focus on the trades that you are supposed to take because those trades are going to make you a lot of money. So imagine if I had tried to trade in this chop. I'm getting wicked out everywhere, just a lot of indecision, no direction, and I'm down $5,000 for the day. And then I catch this play and I made $5,000. Great, I made $0 on the day. Because of my stupid trades that I took within this chop. And most important lesson of this video is trade your A+ setups only. Trade your A+ setup. Like, you know how you filter something out? Let's say you're going on a clothing store, right? Let's say Fashion Nova, for example, and you're looking for a specific color shirt. You're gonna filter out that shirt. You're only gonna click, hey, I wanna look for a red shirt. So nothing else pops up except for the red shirts on the website. You kind of want to approach the market with that same mentality. I'm filtering out everything else except for the setups that I practice on a daily basis. So that way I don't see all the other nonsense, but I see exactly what I'm looking for. And because I've practiced this setup, there's a high chance that this setup is going to be a successful outcome. Not every trade is going to be green, but your chances go up a lot when you just take setups you're supposed to take. So that's all I got for today, guys. That was literally my only trade for the day, right? You see the market moving right now. I don't care about it.